Hello everyone, welcome to American Jedi channel. This is going to be part 2 of my Omega haul, and this is the Speedmaster Professional, or the new Moonwatch. Well, I say new, it's been out since I think 57 or 54. It's been on all the lunar mission, so all the moon landings. It's been on the moon, it's been on spacewalks. So anyways, I wanted to do the unboxing. This is from the exchange, the military exchange, or otherwise known as AFES or Navy Exchange, whatever. I ordered it directly online, and this is how it came in this box. I saw some horror stories about people not getting their Omega boxes, and they had to order them separately, things like that. But this all came together like this, so let's see what's going on here. Got a lot of packing paper. Probably stuff hidden in there somewhere, so I have to go through it all, but guessing this is the watch. Ooh, yep, that's the watch. It's kind of strange how it's just in this little side pocket here instead of actually in the box. In this box. Here's all the manuals and paperwork. And here's the box. All right, let's take a look at this box. I can figure out how to open it. Oh, okay. No, doesn't want to. Doesn't want to. Doesn't want to. Oh, it's upside down. There it is. Oh, that is so sweet. Nice little, looks like a NATO box, you know, because these look like NATO straps. It's a canvas feeling. Velcro. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Yep, Speedmaster Professional. And then this also has a little box on the inside that you can take out. Little travel case. So that's nice. There we go, fit that back in there. All right, we'll go ahead and close that. See what else has come with this thing. See if there's any warranty stuff over here. I don't think so. It's a nice little wipe cloth. This is the Hezolite edition. And I only know this because I saw someone pull it out in another video. Oh my goodness, don't fall. But legendary Moonwatch. And then in here you're just gonna have some pictures probably. Oh, first Speedmaster in space. Those are how the astronauts had it. See how long that is, so they can get it over their EV suits and gloves and stuff. There's one picture. Yep, this is the one I was looking for. This is Buzz Aldrin. Neil Armstrong took this shot, and this is them in the, he's actually in the lunar module right now, checking stuff out. And Neil Armstrong took this quick picture of him with his Speedmaster. So, okay. So let's put this box back because this is going to go into a box, inside of a box, inside of a box, and it will never come out. All right, before we get to the main event, let's go ahead and put this box back together, set this to the side. Let's go ahead and look at all the paperwork that comes with it. Now let's do a true unboxing. Let's see, when you order an Omega, what do you get? Now, I think the old Moonwatch came with a way better box. I mean, it was huge. You got jewelry, you got magnifying, little magnifying glasses to check out your timepiece and stuff like that. So we got a customer service booklet. Okay. Got an operating booklet, along with the receipt probably. Yeah. It can't be that complicated. It's just a chronograph. It's got no real complications. So, all right, let's see the watch. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Man. Let's get this thing out of the box. Now again, Omega's, I mean, it looks really janky, but this is how they come to the jeweler in these little plastic boxes. I mean, it looks like something you'd buy off the street. You know what I mean? Like, $25, here you go, man. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this unwrapped, unboxed. I'm going to pull out the cards first and look at those before I look at the watch. So as you can see, retail price is $6,000. And let's see, you got your pictograms, whatever that is. Watch number, Calibre 3861. I don't know what all that stuff. COSC certified. It's made by Metis. It's got a 5-year warranty on it. So these are all little things that they just tell you that you have, basically. International warranty. So this is what, I don't know what this means. There's no date or anything on here, so this is from AFES. I'm probably gonna have to get that filled in. I do have the receipt, so that's all that matters. And then here's the master chronometer certification. So basically what Omega does is they have, you know, a lot of Swiss watches like Breitling, their entire line is what's called COSC certified. It's a chronometer certification done in Switzerland. And I think only 6% of Swiss watches are actually COSC certified. An even smaller number, so Rolex and Omega, they go beyond the COSC certification. Rolex will do what's called a superlative certification, and that's an in-house certification that they do to basically reduce the you know, the seconds that are lost on a daily basis. So that's all that is. Okay. All right, let's unwrap this thing from its plastic. Oh, it's got a nice buckle on it. Look at that. Stainless steel. Wow. Omega. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty. Man. So yeah, that is a Speedmaster, and then this is a self-winding watch. It's just a simple chronometer you can see here, and yeah. So I'm very happy about it. It's got the NATO strap, or yeah, something like a NATO. No, this isn't a NATO strap. This is like a kind of like a semi-leather nylon strap. So I got it without the bracelet just because the bracelet was like $600 more, and I didn't think it was worth it because I don't even like bracelets, so that would have been stupid. But anyways, that's my unboxing from AFES Omega. Oh, can't forget that little guy right there. But yep, there's the unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you guys ever want to get an Omega, if you are, you know, if you are basically approved to shop at the military exchange, you can get some Omegas at great deals, you know, 20% off. And in some cases, you can get 20% off. So just keep that in mind. And thank you for watching, and have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.